Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be organizing a little bit, rearranging and cleaning a little bit, but more than anything just figuring out what palettes should I be using for this month, taking out all the old palettes and bringing some new ones for this month. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. Enjoy.
Baby, estás pa' que yo te vea en bikini a la orilla del mar, darte todo lo que tú quieras y llevarte a gozar. Diosa, grandiosa, eres una fiera, pedacito de azúcar, mamá. Mira que sabes que no cualquiera te puede conquistar.
Okay, so it's time to change my palette situation, and I would say you guys, I use this like crazy. And I actually love this, so I'm so sad that the month is gone and I'm gonna have to switch. But yeah, same thing with this one, you guys. I used it like crazy. I love this color over here, so but it's time to change it. So I use this one as well. I will be inserting some pictures that I took using these items, so you guys can see the looks that I have created with this. But this is what I have. I didn't use this a ton, but I did use it, so happy I got some use out of it. I don't know if you have seen the video where I just moved all these around, but if you haven't, I will insert it right here so you guys can see it, and down below. And I use this like crazy after I rearrange them, so it's time to give them a rest. I didn't use this a ton, but I used it. Like the bronzer I used and the highlights are so pretty, you guys. So pretty, so stunning. I think I'm gonna leave this here for a little longer. Look at those tones. I know I'm too pale for them, but I mix them and it works. I love them still. So I got all of this, which I got great use out of them. I also rearranged this a little bit. This one so much more after I rearranged it. Love all these tones, so I will be inserting the pictures. And now we're gonna have to go pick what we want to use for this month. I clearly have too many of this. I also have this one that I have not used, and I'm gonna put this back because I don't think I will use it right now. Okay, let's go ahead and pick some new eyeshadows. I have no idea what I said I was gonna pick up for this time. I forgot, you guys. Should I use this Dominic Cosmetics? I don't know. Okay, for sure I want to try this one. I'm gonna try this by Love Boss because I just got this in my box of Chanel. I want to try it. Okay, there's one. I also got this one in my BoxyCharm, so I want to try this one as well. Okay, so I remember. Okay. I remember I said I was going to pull this out, so I'm going to bring that. And also, where's that Lorac Unzipped? I said I was going to be using this one, which is new to me, so I'm going to bring this one, and that will be it for this one. So let's go ahead, organize. And that is it, you guys. That is what I chose for this month, and hopefully this will last me and I will be happy with my decisions. If not, I will be switching out soon, so be ready for that video. And until the next video, you guys, bye bye.